Right, so what is going on, guys? Welcome to a new video on the channel, and finally welcome back to the Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus. Now, I think I have been slightly neglecting this bike on the channel recently, as I've just been filming the MT10 so much, and I've been so excited by that bike and an exhaust on it that it is literally basically the only bike I've been riding on the weekends. Obviously, I do ride this bike every single day as it is my commuter, but I thought today I would finally take this bike out on a nice, enjoyable sunny day and finally film some content for it. And then we have a nice change since the last time I filmed the bike, is I've actually removed the baffle on the full Akrapovic race system that I have on this bike. So I thought what we would do in today's video is kind of showcase that a bit. So we're going to go for a bit of a POV ride on the bike, and then we're going to stop at my usual spot and film some awesome flybys of the way this thing sounds. And as a teaser, it sounded amazing before, but it sounds even more incredible now. So yeah, I'm sure you guys will enjoy it a lot. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy the video. So let's get it started and get on the road. Right, so you're going to have to excuse the mess of the bike in this video. It is very dirty. It's long overdue a clean, which I'm planning on doing in a couple of days' time. Obviously it is my daily commuter, so as I always say, it's going to be dirty. It's well used. Let's get it started up. Yeah, as you can tell, now it's got the baffle out, it is even louder. Oh, I couldn't help myself. Any small little echo, I just feel like I have to do that. Don't know how well the camera picks up those little pops on the overrun when it gets low in the res. It sounds so cool. There you go, for anyone interested, it's not always this obnoxious, just I am riding it a bit overly obnoxious for the video to try and show you how it sounds, but it can also be nice and peaceful. This is why I kind of find this bike the perfect commuter. Not only is the bike obviously absolutely perfect for eating miles and commuting, this exhaust, even though it is really loud when you want it to be, you can dumb it down a bit so it's not too much, and obviously the exhaust is behind you, so that helps as well. Obviously very nice roads we're on here, very nice views, even got some nice cows. I don't know if you saw that very well. Nothing beats a good summer's evening. I like to call it the golden hour because I mean it just makes everything look so cinematic. Right, so here we are. We have arrived at our flyby destination. I thought we'd just quickly show you how amazing the bike is currently looking. As I said, golden hour makes everything look so cinematic, and it is doing the bike a lot of justice, this lighting, and it looks absolutely amazing. As you can see, scenery is absolutely lovely. We are in the middle of nowhere. Obviously making a load of noise on the bike, I don't want to annoy anyone, so it's always respectful to come somewhere nice and quiet like this. But yeah, I hope you enjoy these sound clips as much as I probably will do making them. Right, so there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed those flybys. My does this bike sound good. I am probably ragging the bike quite a lot in this video, more than I normally should be. I don't ride my bike like this all the time, but obviously to showcase the noise of the bike, I have to be doing it. So yeah, Gonna need a good cool down after today. She is not normally ridden this hard, but this bike can handle it amazingly. I mean, the engine on these is so strong, so I'm sure it's not having a hard time at all. But I thought whilst we do still have some sunlight, yeah, sorry, interrupted there. Someone stopped to make sure we weren't broken down, which was very kind. But yeah, I thought whilst we've still got some lovely sunlight and the bike is looking this amazing in the light, and I thought I'd do a little cinematic edit of the bike before we get back on the road. So yeah. Right, so there you have it. This bike looks so good with this awesome summer evening. Hopefully the clips came out right as the lighting wasn't the best, but I just love the reflection there in the tank. We'll now jump back on the bike and yeah, enjoy a nice summer's evening ride back and enjoy the noise of this bike. Right, so there you have it, guys. That will just about wrap up the video. I do hope you enjoyed it. I think it's about time I give this bike a bit more love on the channel, as it hasn't been seen too much since the arrival of the Gen 2 MT10. So I'm going to definitely make it my goal to show this bike some more love on the channel. Do let me know if that is something you want to see, and if you do want to see more of this bike, because it is just an amazing bike and the exhaust sounds so good on it. I love it. But yeah, as always, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe for plenty more videos like this to come. Cheers.